In this session, I'm going to show you how you can download and use Zoom for the very first time, either onto your laptop or computer or your Android phone. So you're going to feel really comfortable with using Zoom. My name's Amanda Collins and I'm the owner of Restoring Balance Wellness Clinic, and I use Zoom all the time for my online wellbeing coaching sessions and to do online workshops. I've broken this session down into 3 easy parts. Part 1 just shows you the email invitation I will send you with all the details that you need to join a Zoom meeting. Part 2 will show you how to download and use Zoom for the first time on a Windows computer or laptop, and then a few of the features in Zoom which will be really helpful for you, and how to join Zoom for a second time. And the third part will show you how to download and use Zoom for the first time on an Android mobile or tablet. And again, a few of the features in Zoom that make it easier for you, and how to join for a second time. So let's get started. Part 1, your Zoom invitation. The first thing I would do is send you an email like this one with your Zoom invitation link, meeting ID and password. You will see at the top here the time and date of your Zoom meeting, which might be an online course or your wellbeing coaching session. The easiest way to join a Zoom meeting is by clicking on this link here underneath the Join Zoom Meeting heading. But we'll come back to that in a moment. First of all, I just want to show you whereabouts your meeting ID number is, and also your password. Now, all depending on which device you are using, the Zoom app would ask you to enter the meeting ID number and password. But as I said, that the Zoom link, which is the easiest way to join, already has those details embedded in it. Part 2, how to download and use Zoom on a Windows computer or laptop. The simplest way to join a Zoom meeting is to click on the link under Join Zoom Meeting heading. And this will take us straight into the Zoom website, where, as this is our first time using Zoom, we need to download the app. So we're going to click on the Download and Run Zoom link. And this then is asking us, where do we want to save our Zoom application file? And in my computer, it's asking me to download it in Downloads, and I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to click the Save button. Now it's downloaded the Zoom exe file down in the left-hand corner. So I'm going to click on that, and a new window appears, and it's going to ask us, do we want to run this file? And we're going to click Run. Now, all depending on how fast your broadband or Wi-Fi is, depends on how long it takes to download. So as this is your first time of using Zoom, I would leave 5 or 10 minutes before your meeting starts, so you're all up and running and ready to go. So this is now taking us straight into our Zoom meeting, and it's asking us, do we want to join with computer audio? And as it is our first time, it'd be good to test our speakers and microphone. So we're going to click Test Speaker and Microphone. Do you hear a ringtone? Yes, we do. So we know our speakers is working fine. Click Yes. Speak and pause. Do you hear a replay?
Speak and pause. Do you hear a replay?
Yes, we do. So we know our microphone was working correctly. And then we click Join with Audio. And then to make life easier next time we join, if we click the automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting, it will remember our preferences for next time. And now we can click Join with Computer Audio. Now this takes us straight in to our Zoom meeting, and Ted, who's our host today, has been kindly waiting there patiently for us. So a couple of things I just want to show you around Zoom so you feel really happy with using it. First of all, you'll notice that when I move my mouse, the menu at the bottom and top appear. When my mouse is still, the menus disappear. So I'm going to move my mouse, and you're going to see in the very top corner there's a little box that when we hover over it, it goes blue and it says enter full screen. So we're going to click on that, and that makes our box really nice and big and fills our screen now, which is better to work with. Now at the moment we're in speaker view, so that means we have one big picture of somebody in the middle and the participants are all going to be down one side. Now at the moment there's only me, but if there was more people on your call, you would see them stacked up one underneath the other, all going down one side. Sometimes you can even have a different view and they go across the top. I'll just show you this one for now. If we have lots of people on our call and we want to see them all at the same time, we can bring our mouse up to the top right hand corner and we can click on gallery view. Now this changes the view, so we're now side by side, which is really lovely. So there might be 4 of us, 8 of us, 10 of us, even 20 of us, even more on the Zoom call, and we would see them in little teeny pictures all over the screen. So again, if we want to go back to speaker view, we just go up to the top right hand corner, click speaker view, or we can click gallery view. And it just literally, that button just takes us backwards and forwards between those views. So you can't do anything wrong, just have a play with that. The other thing I want to show you is down in the left hand corner. Now you can see there's a little microphone symbol there at the moment that says mute underneath. And when I talk, you can see a little green bar going up and down. So that means that everybody can hear what I'm saying. So if we click on the mute button, there's a bar that goes across. Now it's telling us you are muted, so none of the other participants now can hear us. So if we click unmute, the bar disappears, and now everybody can hear us again. Now next to that is the stop video button. So if we click stop video, you'll now see that there's not a live picture of me anymore, but it's just my profile picture because I've got an account with Zoom. If you haven't got an account with Zoom, it'd just be a little icon there, but nobody can see you. So again, we can click on the start video and you're back again. And the last thing that I really need to show you is how to leave a meeting. So if you come down to the bottom right hand corner, you see a little red button there that says leave. So when we're ready, we can press that button. It will ask you to confirm, do you want to leave the meeting? We can click that again and the meeting's finished and we're back to our Zoom website page. So now you've learned how to go into a Zoom meeting for the very first time and download the app. So next time that you get a Zoom invitation, all you need to do is click on the Zoom link. It will go straight over onto the Zoom website page. You just click Open Zoom at the top, and that will take you straight back into your Zoom meeting. And it is as simple as that. Part 3, how to download and use Zoom on an Android phone or tablet. Remember I showed you your Zoom invitation at the beginning in an email. What you need out of this email is your meeting ID number and your password. And that's what you would need next to be able to download and join a Zoom meeting on your Android phone or tablet. Now I'm going to show you how to download the Zoom app on your Android phone or Android tablet. So the first thing that we need to do is locate our App Store icon. On my phone, it's called Play Store, run by Google. On your phone, it might be called something different. And on iPhones, it's called the App Store. So we click on Play Store and this opens Google Play Apps. Now this is the program where you can search for and download different apps for your phone or tablet. So we're going to click in the search box at the top, and when we tap on that box, it opens up a keyboard. So we're going to type in now Zoom Cloud Meetings, and this is the app that we are looking for. It's actually already found that for us and it's at the top of our list. So we're going to click now on Zoom Cloud Meetings, and we're now going to press install. So this might take a few minutes to download depending on the speed of your Wi-Fi or data connection. So do allow 5 or 10 minutes before your meeting starts so you have time to download. So we're already downloaded and ready to press the open button now. This now takes us into our Zoom app. So you don't need to have an account to join a Zoom meeting, but if you wanted to sign up, then you can do it from here. So we're just going to press join a meeting. Now here is where you enter your meeting ID. And remember, this number was the one that was at the bottom of your email that I sent you. And underneath here it's got Galaxy J6. That is, the name of my phone. So when we're in a Zoom meeting, we don't want that showing. We actually want our name so everybody can see who we are. So I'm going to put my name in here and then click join meeting. Now this is going to take us through to the password. So when you've tapped in the meeting password, it opens up your keyboard again. So now we're going to enter our password number and press OK. Now Zoom's asking us now that do we agree with their terms of service, and we're going to click I agree. And it's also going to say please allow Zoom access permission to our microphone, camera and storage. So we got that. And it's going to ask us allow Zoom to take pictures and record video, and we're going to say allow. And now you can see me on the video. Asking us if we want to join with video. Yes, we do. So it's asking us one more set of questions. Allow Zoom to record audio, and we're going to say allow. And we're going to say call via device audio, and that means using our mobile phone or our tablet audio. So we're going to click on there. And now we are in our Zoom meeting. So at the moment we are in speaker view. So that means that the person who is talking is normally in the big picture, and you can see I'm down in the bottom corner here. And this is quite good. If there's just two of us, I don't need to see me. I just want to see the person that's on the screen. But if I click on me, you can see that that's changed round. I'm just going to leave it on this just so I can show you something at the moment. So when we want to mute ourselves, if we click on the black area, you can see we now have a menu that comes up at the bottom and at the top. And then when we don't touch it, the menu disappears. So we have to be quite quick to tap on what we need to do. So I'm going to tap on the black area, and now I'm going to tap on the mute button. So now technically I am muted, so none of the other participants can actually hear me. So now I'm going to tap on the black bit again, and I'm going to tap unmute. So now everybody can hear me. Also the stop video button, so tap on the black bit and then stop video. And now you can see I've just got an icon for me. They can't see my picture at all. And if I click on the screen again, it brings up the menu, and I do start video again. The other thing I just wanted to show you, so this is the speaker view, and you've seen how if I click on Ted there, it changes, put Ted in the big picture, me in the little picture. If I tap on me, it swaps it round. But this is speaker view. This is good when there's just only two of us. So when there's more than two of us, it's nice to be in gallery view. So how we get to see everybody else is this time, rather than tapping the screen, we will put our finger on the screen and slide it across to our left side. And now you can see we're actually one above each other. If there was 4 of us or 5 of us, we'd be slightly smaller and you could see quite a few of us. If there's more people on, you would have to scroll up and down the page, and then it would be like rolling up and down, and you could see everybody that's in your workshop or on your meeting. So we're going to just go back to the speaker view. So again, it's putting your finger on the screen, and this time we're going to scroll our finger along to the right side, and now we're back to where we are. So let's just practice that again. So finger on the screen, scroll to the left, finger on the screen and slide it to the right. So that just changes your two different views. And if we click Ted here, it swaps those back over. So one last thing just to show you now is how to leave a meeting. So if you click on the screen, you'll see the red leave button at the top. So we just click on leave. It's asking us to confirm that. Do we want to leave the meeting? And we click yes. And now we get taken straight back to the very beginning. And now I just wanted to show you how easy it was to get back into Zoom after we'd installed it. So now you can see that we have a Zoom icon on our phone or tablet. So we just click on the Zoom icon. It takes us straight back into the app. We click join a meeting, and then we enter our number. And it's actually remembered me from last time, but I just type it in to show you. And I click join a meeting. It will ask me for the password again, so I click in the box meeting password and a keyboard will appear. I will just now enter the meeting password number. Click OK. Asking us if we want to join with video. Yes, we do. And do we want to use the device audio? Yes, we do. So we now are, and I'll just click me so you can see me. So you are now straight back into your Zoom meeting. So really simple. Remember, just tap the screen once, menus appear, and we can leave again. Well done. That was a lot of information to take in there. But now you know how to download and use Zoom for the very first time. You know how to use the mute button, the video button, and how to exit, and how to change your screens to speaker view and gallery view. So you're all set to go now. So I look forward to connecting with you on one of my online workshops, or maybe a one-to-one coaching session. So see you soon. If you'd like to find out more about what I do at Restoring Balance Wellness Clinic, then please visit me at restoringbalance.org.uk. Thank you.